Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just creator. Be sure to follow her.
I hate when people be like, oh girl, why your hair not done? Oh shit, what the fuck? I forgot that was in there. So I was like,
Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Like that part with the hairless mask, I don't think you need that right now. Take your time, think about it the next week, and then let me know how you're feeling, okay?
Your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on.
Hey guys, long time no see. I am like starting this vlog kind of weird. Today is currently Wednesday, I believe. I tried to vlog on Monday. It was a failure. I'm having like tech issues. My camera is like acting crazy and whatnot. So I went to Best Buy this morning and I had to make another appointment so they can take my camera and work on it and give it a little TLC. But yeah, so what you saw before me telling you hi in this week's vlog is just a little bit of what I did yesterday. I only had one appointment yesterday, and that was my lovely client Michaela. She is hilarious, and like I love making TikToks and content with her. Be sure to check her out and follow her on Instagram because she is a, I'm gonna just say blogger. She does a lot of things on like home improvement, mom life, and like healthy clean living and eating and whatnot. It's currently Wednesday. I've already had my coffee today. I'm leaving the beauty supply store. I got some hair because I'm gonna try to do another quick weave on myself with so I really like the way my hair looks. Well, I'm lying to you. You guys, this wig is like, this wig is old. I've had this wig for, I've had the hair alone for about 5 years. It was made into a black, it was a black wig, and then I dyed it or lightened it like 3 times, and I, you know, did a little balayage. So I love the dimension, I love the color, but I'm over the wig. Like the closure, this closure is trash. I've been feeling like a bum. So I'm gonna swap the closure out eventually, but for right now I want to just do a quick simple little quick weave. I bought some hair. I'm gonna try to mimic the same type of highlight situation, kind of like what I did a couple months ago. But yeah, I'm doing leave out this time. I'm a little nervous, but yeah, we're getting ready to get to work. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I miss you guys. I've been posting shorts and stuff. I have lots of people asking me questions like where I've been, what I've been up to, how's business going, and I've been somewhat busy. And yeah, I'm gonna have a little sit down chit chat with you guys later, so be sure to just, you know, stay tuned, watch the video, and hang out with me for the week.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get Can I get 2 grande iced pumpkin spice lattes with oat milk?
2 iced pumpkin spice oat milk. Do you still want the whipped cream?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Straws for you.
Thank you. Have a good one. Oh, I did. I'm sorry.
You're good. Just making
Thank
sure.
you.
Have a good one.
You too. I'm so rude. I'm just eating. I'm so sorry. I feel like that's like the life of a stylist. Like, you get 5 seconds to eat, unless you set boundaries and you schedule out a lunch for yourself, then you get to eat. I absolutely hate how my hair looks. So when I came in, I was like, what is this smell? By the way, I know this space looks different. Some of you guys may be able to tell based off of my Instagram posts that I have moved. I'm in a different location. I'll do a separate video about that, and you guys might see like bits and pieces of my space, but I don't want to show you the full space until it's together and I like it. I came in and I was like, what is that smell? Like, something smelled weird, and what it is the floor. You can see, so there are some stains on the floor, and what I did was I used some of the bathroom cleaner to put on there. It's hair dye. Most of it is hair dye. So I put the stain remover on there. Well, not the stain remover, but the bathroom cleaner. Erin was the one who put me on game about the bathroom cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and put the, you know, I'm going to wipe it up now because I don't want my client to come in and smell that. Shelly has this little shark here for us, and it's like a vacuum. You can vacuum and mop with it, so I think it's kind of neat. I just be forgetting how to put this thing on here.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fire.
Alright, so my client is currently sitting under the dryer while her cap is molding for her quick weave. She's probably got like 7 minutes left. Her hair and everything's already prepped because we did that before she got here. Well, we prepped our tools and stuff before she got here, and then we prepped her hair while she was deep conditioning. So now we're really just coasting along. It's 2:24. We have an hour and a half before our next appointment gets here, so we have to like hurry up. So yeah.
Saying things we don't mean, you know I don't like it. When you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar. Calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices.
Oh my goodness, so someone was already nice enough to put my stuff in the dryer. So it's got 28 minutes to go. Once I get my client under the dryer, I'm gonna come back, grab my stuff, and put their stuff under the dryer. That's one thing I like about working here is, you know, they're it's like a little family, a little team. Where I'm at, it's a new Salon Suite situation. It's only been open since March, so everyone here is new. We're like the first batch of people to be here, and we really help each other out, so I do like that a lot. But all right, so I guess let's go back to cleaning.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get it all, 'cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. I'm just there. You must have known. You make me laugh. Can't let it go. Put it down better. Better, making me lose my mind. Lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go.
So it's 8 o'clock, guys. I finished my appointment like right on time. I was super duper proud of the fact that I think technically we had blocked off like 2 hours and 55 minutes. That's what my system has blocked off for a new client silk press. And we literally finished right on time, and I was so glad because I did do a few extra things. Like I let her shampoo kind of just marinate on her hair with the steamer for like a couple extra minutes, and you know, so like it's like some of these extra things, like over time, they do add up to make a more lengthier appointment. But I am just so tired. I finished her hair. Let me see what time I checked this girl out. I did not get an after picture. I just like slightly bumped her ends, but I did get like a before and after before I cut it. I'm so embarrassed. I checked her out at 6:55 and I've just been sitting here for like an hour. Like, I'm tired. I want to cry. Like, I don't want to do my hair. I feel like I have so much that I need to do before I leave, and I still have appointments to take, and it's like I really don't want to do my hair, but it's like I still need to show up for myself. And it's like if I still had another client coming in at 7:30 or so, I would be doing their hair. So I just decided, let me get up and let me do what I need to do. A part of me feels like I need to go get some food though, because I am kind of hungry, but I don't really feel like going anywhere. I might just order some Chipotle. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't have the energy for anything else. Okay, so I got the milk, the Outre milk, and I got the color. I got a number 4, and then I got a 30. So I'm gonna like mix these two together, and then because I wanted to match this, and I think this is really good. So I'm gonna mix these two together, and then on the roots, like I normally use 2.5 packs of hair, although like for my the quick weave I just did, we fit all 4 bundles in her head. But I'm just gonna use I'm gonna make sure I use all of this, and then wherever I'm gonna have my part, I'm going to do like two of the dark. No, it did not.
I mean,
Okay guys, so this is my hair. I like the color, but I just am not used to leave out, so it's gonna take some getting used to. I think I need to put a highlighted piece right here, and that might bring it in a little bit, like this. Well, I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Actually think of me as less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever, forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn and learn to trust whenever, whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. It doesn't make sense that somebody else got all of the praise when you did the same thing. It doesn't feel real when they all say it's the same rules when you play, when you know that's not the case. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever.
Look, look, he looks so cute.
No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever.
Aww.
As blue as the sky.
Okay guys, so I officially semi-laid my leave out, so it looks so much better than when I first did my quick leave. Like, I really took my time this time, so hopefully this lasts until next week. We'll see. I don't know what the weather's like where I'm going, but I got all my tools and stuff right there in that book bag for what I'm doing, and I just gotta go home, finish packing and everything. Can you guys guess where I'm going? I'm not gonna tell you guys, you'll see in the next vlog. So yeah, we're just gonna see you later.
I'ma need safety, tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical, I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't.